Hello my lovelies, welcome or welcome back to Simple Tips in his channel. I hope all of you are safe and as Raksha Bandhan is coming, so I have created a Raksha Bandhan makeup look. I hope all of you will love it. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The link will be given on the description box.
Keep my shoes on, we're not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't wait for a single reason not to say goodbye.
First I'm using Smashbox Photo Finishing Foundation Primer. It keeps hydrated. Now I'm using the orange light color. It hides the dark circles on your faces. The area which are dark you will apply over there only.
So keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Can't we find what we're missing and compromise? So keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on.
Now I'm using the Maybelline Pick Me Foundation. I'm in the shade of 330.
Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide?
Now I'm using the Maybelline concealer. You will apply the concealer where you want it to highlight.
You run and hide. Run and hide. Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous.
Now I'm using the MAC Cream Contouring.
I lose you if I didn't. Can we find what we're missing and compromise? So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind.
Okay, so for the eyeshadow I'm using the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air. It is in the shade of E758.
Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and hide?
Now I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I will smudge them out. I'm not applying on my whole eye. And smudge it with the flat brush perfectly.
Oh no. So keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Can we find what we're missing and compromise?
Using the Maybelline New Year Push Up Drama Mascara. It is a waterproof mascara.
Can we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind.
Okay, now I'm using the bronzer on my face. Now I'm using the Biotic Natural Makeup Blush.
On my mind, would that make you run?
At the end, I'm using the highlighter, the area where I wanted to highlight my face. After applying the lip color, I'm using the MAC Photo Finish stick.
Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut